Hafiz TV, unique every day.
I'm here on campus in the college, and one of my staff has just complained that there's a beehive in the back. You can probably see them buzzing around now, and there's a whole heap of bees in there. I've put on this beekeeping suit just for safety, because I think safety is important. And now inshallah ta'ala try to remove these bees and box them up, and hopefully we'll try to give them a house and see if they can yield some honey for us over time, inshallah. The alternative is pesticides and fumigation, and that will kill a lot of them, so unnecessary. So wish me luck, inshallah. Yeah. It was nice and easy. Allah made it really easy. So inshallah ta'ala, now we'll get it a proper home, and hopefully they can produce some honey, inshallah, and be some khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.